Welcome to the set of training videos provided by the Bulgarian partner Architectural Spice. You're watching the third video tutorial from the XRT set.
Hi guys, this is Chris from Architectural Spice, and today I'm going to introduce you step by step to the development of virtual reality application for Android and iOS. We start by downloading our VRBox Unity package from our GitHub. The link will be in the description, guys. Then we extract it and create a new Unity project. Our developed project contains Google Virtual Reality SDK, which helps us to create the VRBox application for our Android and iOS platforms. And we need to create our project below 2020 version because Google officially dropped Daydream Virtual Reality support from Android 11. And in fact, the Daydream software is no longer supported though, according to Google. It won't receive updates, although users can potentially still access third-party virtual reality applications through the App Play Store. The next step is to import the VRBox Unity package to our newly created project. Then we navigate to the scenes folder and click on the VRBox demo scene. And then we examine what we have. Has attached VR look down script, and it means whenever we look a little bit down to the center of the screen we walk forward. And also the camera has a stare swap of the building. Whenever we stare at the building more than 1 or 2 seconds, it changes itself. application requires a few steps, and the first one is to add the scene to our build and then change the platform to either iOS or Android, but I will build for Android, and if you guys want to build for iOS you have to go through Xcode. The settings are the same. We can change the company name, also the product name if we want to, but we need to install the XR settings virtual reality supported option, and then we have to add the cardboard in the list. Also, in the other settings we need to remove the Vulkan API because it's not needed. Also, the other requirement for building Google VR cardboard application is the minimum API level, which should be Android 4.4, minimum level 19. Then we are ready to build the application to our device.